Hello everyone, my name is Kalavati M and currently I am pursuing my Masters in Computer Applications in the Department of Studies in Computer Science at Manas Gangotri, Mysore. Before starting our today's discussion, I formally welcome you all to this presentation. Today, I am going to discuss about the HCL company, that is the use of AI in HCL. So let's begin. These are the contents that we are going to discuss today. History, HCL technologies, operations, business lines, features, vision and mission, founders, brand slogans, and lastly the use of AI. Let's see the history. The HCL. The HCL stands for Hindustan Computer Limited. The HCL enterprise was founded in the year 1976. A group of 6 engineers, all former employees of Delhi Cloth and General Mills, led by Shivnadar, started a company that would make personal computers. In 1978, HCL designed and introduced India's first 8C computer. In 1980, HCL launched a 16-bit processor-based microcomputer. In the year 1983, HCL indigenously developed RDBMS networking OS and client-server architecture. In the year 1988, HCL developed a fine-grained multiprocessor Unix. In 1990, HCL started a remote infrastructure management. The first 3 subsidiaries of parent HCL Enterprise were HCL Technologies, originally HCL's Research and Development Division, which was developed in the year 1991. And the second is HCL Infosystems, which was specially established to produce calculators. And the third one is HCL Healthcare. In 2001, HCL set up the first ever Indian PBO, Global Delivery Center, in Northern Ireland for British Telecom. The PBO stands for Public Benefit Organization. In the year 2005, HCL entered into a JV, that is joint venture, and created the first management systems for Boeing 747s. In the year 2008, HCL was recognized as the leader in data center and workplace IT services. In the year 2014, HCL Healthcare was formed. And the next is about HCL Technologies. The HCL Technologies is an Indian multinational information technology, services and consulting company headquartered in Noida at Uttar Pradesh. It was originally a research and development division of HCL. It merged as an independent company in the year 1991 when HCL entered into the software service business. And next is HCL campus. As you people can see the HCL campus, that is at Noida. The current chairperson is Roshni Nadar Malhotra and MD and CSO is Shivnadar and CEO is C. Vijay Kumar, as you can see their pictures here. And the next is operations. The company has offices in 50 countries including United Kingdom, United States, France and Germany, with a worldwide network of research and development, innovation labs and delivery centers. Over 1,68,000 employees, and its customers include 250 of the Fortune 500 and 650 of the Global 2000 companies. This map showing the countries where HCL Technologies has operations. And the next is business lines. The HCL has these many business lines, that is application services and system integration, PBO. As I earlier mentioned, PBO stands for Public Benefit Organization and Business Services, Engineering and Research and Development Services, Infrastructure Management Services, IoT Works, Dry Ice. It is a special initiative started by HCL company and it's a logo of Dry Ice, Digital Analytical and E-Publishing, Cyber Security and GSR Services, Financial Risk and Compliance Solutions. And the next is features of HCL company. It provides all cyber security, identity and access management, business continuity and disaster recovery, governance, risk and compliance, application security, infrastructure security and many more. And the next is vision and mission of HCL company. The vision of the company is together we create the enterprise of tomorrow, and the mission is to provide world-class information technology solutions and services to enable our customers to serve their customers better. And the next is founders of HCL company. Shiv Nadar, born in 1945, founder and chairman of HCL company. Shiv Nadar founded HCL in the mid of 1970s and transformed the IT hardware company into an IT enterprise over the next 3 decades by constantly reinventing his company's focus. In the year 2008, Government of India awarded Shiv Nadar with the Padma Bhushan, the third highest civilian award for his contribution to IT industry. And the next is co-founder of HCL Technologies, Arjun Malhotra, co-founder and vice chairman of HCL. Arjun Malhotra, born on 7 January 1949, is an Indian entrepreneur, industrialist and philanthropist. He also founded TechSpan. He was honored by Albert Einstein Technology Medal in 2001, as you can see his picture here. And these are some of the HCL products with their price tag, that is HCL Mi Sync 1.3 U3 tablet. Its price tag is 5,199, and HCL My Edu Tab X1 K12 with class 12 course content tablet. And the next is HCL My Edu Tab X1 K12 with class 12 course content tablet. Its price tag is 9,999. And then next is Mi Charm tablet. Its price tag is 7,999. And Mi laptops, its price tag ranges from 20,000 to 51,000. And then the next is HCL Digital Enterprise. This image shows the mode 123 strategy to build 21st century financial services service enterprise. That is mode 1, efficiency and agility, and mode 2 is experience and insight. Mode 3 is product innovations. In mode 1, it gives existing core services like application services, infrastructure services, engineering and research and development services, along with digital process operations. In mode 2, it accelerating new services just like digital and analytical IoT works, cloud native cyber security and GRC. In mode 3, it gives the functions like building new and reimagining mature products and platforms. And the next is HCL brand slogans. These are some of the very famous HCL brand slogans. Technology that touches lives, employee first, customer second, where unseen opportunities rise as possibilities. For us, milestones are stepping stones, where values drive velocity. A commitment to our core values has helped HCL Technologies build long-term, value-centric relationships with customers and become one of the next generation global technology companies. This is about EFCS, that is Employee First, Customer Second. For this philosophy, HCL also rewarded with an award, that is Best Employer Award in the year 2020. Through this philosophy, the aim was to create a unique employee organization, drive an inverted organizational structure, create transparency and accountability within the organization, and encourage a value-driven culture. It contains 5 pillars, which in turn gives several functions. This image shows the 5 pillars of EFCS philosophy. Let me zoom it so that you people can see it. The 5 pillars are empowerment, transformation, recognition, support and knowledge. And each of these pillars gives several facilities like for example, transformation gives the facilities like My Page, My Project Portal, My Human Capital, My Sales World, My Resource Management. And the recognition gives the facilities like Extra Miles, O2 League, Innovation at HCL and Champions. The support gives the facilities like Smart Services Desk, Natasha Work-Life Balance and iFly. The knowledge gives the facilities like Wiki Portal, Business Quotient, Knockout, T2ID, eScience. And the empowerment gives the facilities like U&I Conversations, Opinion Poll, 360-degree feedback, directions, Employee First Councils and Career Power. And the next is use of AI in HCL company. The HCL launches AI-powered process transformation platform and consulting service, that is COPA and TAO. Dry Ice. It is a special initiative that is started by HCL company. It is a AI foundation for the digital enterprise, and here below you can see its logo. Next.ai. It creates solutions for engineering and research and development enterprises. Let's see one by one. Dry Ice. As I mentioned earlier, Dry Ice is a foundation for the digital enterprise, and this image gives the overview of Dry Ice iAutomate, AI-powered runbook automation. It gives the facilities like, let me zoom it. It uses human brain with the technology, as shown in the center of the figure, that zero touch automation. It gives facilities like identification of automation candidates, machine learning and NLP enabled, automation diversity, Oob runbook repository, one-click knowledge assistance, rich integration ecosystem, enterprise grade security. And all of these in turn gives several other facilities, just like automation diversity performs incident request, service request task, change request task, schedule executions and ad hoc execution. The runbook categories manages server management, cloud management, container management, load balance management, configuration management, user management, file management, network management, disk management, database management, password resets, ad management, health checks and many more. And this in turn gives some of the byproducts, that is up to 80% zero touch automated resolution and up to 85% reduction in MTTR, up to 60% reduction in manual effort. And the next is Dry Ice Lucy. The Lucy is a AI enabled virtual assistant which is created by HCL Technologies. It is a small conversation between a Lucy and a human. And the next is, this shows the Lucy product features, whatever the features and functions it provides. Let me zoom it. Machine learning, that is SAP Leonardo, chat based. It is a chat based, just like Facebook Messenger, Skype and Stack. It gives 600 plus use cases. Multi-cloud infrastructure, that is SAP, GCP, Azure and AWS. It is voice based, just like Amazon Alexa, Google Voice and Twilio. Natural language processing, Vastron, Amazon Lex, MS Luis, Google NLP and Recast AI. And the next is Next.ai. As I mentioned earlier, Next.ai creates solutions for engineering and research and development enterprises, and it facilitates us to research, innovate, experiment and co-create. It uses data science, that is artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning to perform the operations such as augmenting human capabilities, pattern recognition, decision insights, automation and knowledge mining. This image gives the overview of how it performs its operations. These are the services that are provided by Next.ai, that is consulting services, engineering services and operations. In consulting, it performs problem solving, strategy definition, business case. In engineering, data platforming, model engineering and model servicing. In operations, data operations, machine learning operations, AI operations. And lastly, I thank you all for watching this video. Thank you.